Good morning everyone, my channel name is Tom Kolita Vlog. Today I tried this vlog on English. So let's start the video. The present time is 5 o'clock in the morning. There is our village in 5 o'clock. A lot of water accumulated here. There is a Pokriti near, so beautiful resort. This is the road leading to Manas, and you will get the road leading to gate of Manas, and here I will get Puyabara Ranch. You are going to this way. What a beautiful road. This is a pond with a dirty fish. Warning, danger high voltage, Manas National Park. Look at that tea leaf tree there. Don't fire, don't cutting tree, don't fishing, don't fire. This is a very clean river. You come to take a bath from time to time. Take clean water. These tea leaves are very original tea leaves. You don't get to eat this tea on other country like I like to work in the morning. This place like mini Switzerland because what a scenery. There is a hills, Bhutan hills. There is a camp, mini camp, forest camp. Let's finish this video here. If you like the video and subscribe here. Thank you so much. So guys, video to কেনেহেন লাগিল জনাব ইংৰাজী ট্ৰাই কৰিলোঁ মানে ইংৰাজী লাহে লাহে শিকিছোঁ অলপ চলপকৈ শিকিছোঁ আৰু ইমানো নৰো তো কেনেকুৱা হ'ল কমেণ্ট কৰি জনাব কিমান কি ভুল গৈছে পাৰে যদি কোনোবাই কৈ দিব তো ভিডিঅ'টো ইয়াতে সমাপ্ত কৰোঁ যদি ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পালে লাইক কৰিব ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব চেনেলটো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব চিলড্ৰেন টাটা বাই বাই